Okay, from where I stopped, this is part 2 of the weekly analysis. I now started on pound sterling. Pounds JPY, we go to 1 hour once more. Sorry, daily again. Pounds JPY, we are looking to for the end of wave 4 to go higher. Okay, 4 hours, we can see this ABC is almost clear. It is almost clear. So there's no doubt if you're getting this drop. It is already happening. USJPY, there are some doubts, but this one, there's no doubt. So I'm looking for this drop. Once I have it, I will buy. Pounds USD. Pounds USD. Pounds USD, there's something we need to have in mind. Okay. We know that daily is period to 4 hours, 8 hours, and so on. Now, this channel is broken. And we have this. The reason I have some reservation on this is this. This move is sharp. If this move is corrective, then I will say that, sure, this will happen. But for now, we may get this. You may get this. You may get this before this. So if you are those that used to buy or sell break and retest, be careful for this type of retest. Okay. Now let's go to 4 hours. Now you can see why I say that we need to be careful. This drop is sharp, and is a typical move of Web3. So my assumption is this: that this is beginning of the wave Y, and this is 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5. This is what I'm expecting to get. So how do we trade this? A little move like this, the sell. This is what I think will happen. Okay. It's all assumption based on analysis. Pounds chef. Pounds Jeff, you see, Pounds USD have a room for doubt. But Pounds Chef, we can see there's no room for doubt because it haven't made any attempt to break the trend line. Okay, so daily we see it that it will drop to this level. Meanwhile, anyway, not now. I'm making the count as WXYXXZ. But let me leave it for now. What now that we are looking for a further down move? Okay, this is 4 hours chart on this. And in my opinion, this wave is sharp. Wave 1, wave 2, and this wave 3 is equally sharp. So we're looking for wave 3. Maybe we may get something like this. Then 3 will drop. We get 4. 5 will drop. Then it will complete the wave going down. By then, we now look for buy. Okay, so check out all this. All right, we move. Pounds card. Pounds card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pounds card. This is likely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So expect this type of move. And we know Z wave is an impulse wave. So seeing this 1, 2, 3, ABC, 4, 5 would be a big deal. Okay. Wave C, wave X, wave Y, sorry, wave C, wave A, wave C, wave Y, wave Z are always 5 waves move. So expect a move like this, then a move like this. That is A, B, C. Okay, let's see 4 hours. As a matter of fact, 4 hours, we have been expecting it to give us a move towards this level, but it haven't gotten to the level we expected. Which is second to this level, I don't know, but the wave 4 might be over in a lower level anyway. Maybe the 4th wave is over based on lower level. Then wave 5 will drop. After that, we get a bigger wave 4 based on daily time frame. So that's what we are looking for, a move down, then we get a big move, then another move down. First, New Zealand. Is still dropping, and I only recommend we keep selling it. I recommend we keep selling. Once you get correction, we keep selling until we get to this 1.888, 1.87 area before we think about buying. For now, I'm not thinking about buying as long as first New Zealand is concerned. Hours. Once we get something like this, we sell again. For now, you have to get corrective move before you sell it. Just enter sell now. You need to wait and enter at a better time, which is when you see an ABC. Okay, now let's go to indices. NASDAQ. Based on daily, NASDAQ is going as we forecasted it will go. Remember that here is our target before we look for big drop. And I said conservatives buy level. The buy started here and here again, and it's still going up. Let's see 4 hours. Okay, on 4 hours, I expected move lower, but the buying is so strong, it's going to go lower. It keeps buying, and as a matter of fact, if you are an experienced trader, or if you have been in my class, you know that when you see this type of move, it means continuation. Okay, now excuse me. So the buying keeps going up, and you know there's always a good time to join a market. Those who join the here join the well. Those who join the here join the well. If you enter the here, you enter the well. If you enter the here, you enter the well. But don't enter here. Don't enter here. Maybe look for something like this to happen. Something like this to happen before you not enter. Okay. But we must know that we're looking out for 5 waves, which is 1, 2, maybe 3 is still developing, maybe somewhere here, 3, 4, 5 will be here at where our target is. Okay, so let's be mindful of that. Let me go back to daily. So now our 5 is somewhere here. Let's keep that in mind. We're starting. We're starting. Also going up. We recommend buying. It's buying. I recommend the buying is now at our target. We need to reverse 24 hours. We need to reverse. Okay, maybe anyway, there's not time to sell anyway. So the reversal, I mean, is just correction. Okay, we will get something like this. Then the buying continues. So let me remove this because the buying is still on. This is more of it's more of 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4. Then 5 will be somewhere there. Okay, so don't sell, rather look for buy. What's not going to do? So you record them. Nifty, wow. Nifty have finally made a good correction. Finally, Nifty has made a good. Now I will remove all this. I always say you don't join a market when the trend is on. You join when you have correction. Now, Nifty has given us a reason to join the buyers. You can see this is a 3 waves move. Okay. So you can see it made a 3 waves pullback. This is an example of what I mean by entering at a good time. Now, if you want to buy Nifty, here will be a stop loss. You can enter because I can see, let me even see 2 hours. Or to be on the safe side, once the market moves away from the reversal zone, in a positive manner, if you see a sharp move away from the reversal zone, a move like this, you can look for pullback like this and buy. But if price begin to delay inside here, if you get a delay inside here, you may drop again. But if you get a sharp move away from here, it means that the ABC, A, B, C is over. So hope you understand. If you get sharp move away from here, buying is okay. If you get sideways move, don't buy, you drop further. Nikkei, Nikkei is going as we forecasted. Now, this is, I don't know whether we have been, whether it wanted to make, it made just contracting flat, ABC, or it will complete it. When market is correcting, it can print any type of correction. Now, this can be over and it keeps going. It can drop further. But if you are buying Nikkei, your stop should be here. Here should be a stop loss. This is that we may get a deeper ABC. We may get something like this, a deeper A, B, C. So it may give us a move towards this blue box. Okay, so bear that in mind. So your stop should be even here, self. Your stop should be even here, so that if it gives us a deep move, it won't hit a stop loss. Always be cautious of money management. Now, we're expecting it's got our target is now giving us a reversal. So I'm expecting another move down, something like this, before buying. So for now, it's working as we forecasted. Let me show you daily. Daily, we still have a lot. The buying is still going on. Okay, that's it. UK 100. Okay, so the buying is still going on. A break of this confirmed a further buy. We need to reverse from this level. Let me see with 4 hours. So for now, let us wait to know whether we will have a deeper move. We may have a deeper move. So for now, let's wait. Okay. Whenever a market is not clear, we have to wait. We may have an A, B, C, which may cause a deeper move. Then this. It's better to wait than to buy in or sell in error. Tesla. Tesla is at our Web3 target, but it seems it will go higher than this. So now, what will you do? If not about Tesla, if you haven't entered the Tesla, you then have to wait. Let Web3 finish. Give us A, B, C. You buy Web4. For now, Web3 seems to not have finished. Okay. It's going as our, it's going in accordance with our forecast. But don't just enter now. Let us see Web4. Likely an A, B, oh, sorry. Let us see Web4. Likely an A, B, C. So for now, we have to wait to see Web4. Then we join. Copper. Copper. Wow. Copper went so deep, deeper than we expected. Copper went deeper than we expected. Copper went deeper than we expected. So what do we expect next on copper? What next do we expect? Although it didn't confirm our bullish move, that's why we always look out for a confirmation. Okay. So once it has confirmed our bullish move, I remove this. I remove this. But as long as this place remains, Web4 can still be valid. The only thing that we evaluate this count is that the price, the current move down, come to this level. If not, it's still valid. Okay, that's the rule. Web4 cannot come to the territory of Web1. So once here remains, the count still valid. Okay. You can see the 1 hour. The 1 hour, the channel can be broken anytime, the way I see it. Once the market is making a channel, then it can break anytime. So maybe a final move here, Once here is broken, you look for a buy. Maybe something like this will happen. Or something like this. From here, safe, it may just drop a little. Correct. And go up. Why am I saying this? You'll be looking for buy, not sell. Nico. Nico, the ABC seems to have completed, and this move is sharp, showing the reversal we needed. Okay, you can see ABC completed, seeing the sharp move. Now, what do we need to confirm? A move above this level. A close above this level will give us reason for buy. A nice close above it. Okay, now let's go to cryptos. Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin. My focus is this ABC. Now, can it still hold? My answer is yes. As long as here remains, Bitcoin will still likely come to this box to commit to the ABC. Or maybe this sharp move has done the job. You know, you see this sharp move. Let me zoom the chart. You see this sharp drop. It might have done the job, but it didn't enter the reversal box. Then not a must that the market will enter the reversal box. Sometimes it will truncate. But where I'm looking at is this. I'm looking at this B zone. If I see a sharp move that breaks this zone, then I'll stop looking at this drop. But once the market is still moving in a slow manner, this drop is still possible. Maybe it will end here or break it and reverse here. So my final conclusion is that as long as we haven't broken 63,718 on Bitcoin, possibility of 56,400, 50,004 area is still possible. You can see 50,460, 56,005, 56,700 are still possible. Unless we break this 63,700. That's all. That's for Bitcoin. Ethereum. Ethereum, I don't expect this to happen again. ABC. This ABC is over. I don't expect this to happen again. So I'm removing this. What I expect now is price to continue moving up. I'm also removing this. It has done its job. Let me go to one daily. So daily, the price will keep going up after every correction. So now let me show you 1 hour also. You can see this is an ABC. Okay, and it is enough correction, unless we have a double correction. Single correction can happen and we keep going. So now I'm looking for a continuous move up. So that's for Ethereum. BNB, you also see this move on BNB. So we may see it going up from here also. DOGE yet to break this slow move down. Once it is broken, you see the price begin to go higher. For now, it is still making slow and steady movement. We keep watching it until we see it broke the channel. Watch out for breaking and then a new high. I mean a new higher high. Then we go to SHIBA and I conclude. I don't have time anymore. SHIBA, this is an ABC. So, and this channel is broken. Can it still come lower? I think it's not coming lower again. Let me show you 15 minutes chart. Okay, I made this based on 15 minutes chart. When I saw this sideways move, so what am I expecting now? Is this? This is what I expect now. But possibilities of this also exist. It's also possible to give us ABC before going up. Okay, but I think in the morning I posted this chart and said this will likely happen. It has happened. What I'm looking for now is the buying continuation. Thank you for joining me. So maybe Wednesday, when I have time, we do midweek review. God bless you. Trade with care. Bye.